you live on North Street in Belhaven, you've probably noticed a grating noise. Residents tell us that's a water pump, and this isn't the first one they've had in their neighborhood. But earlier this week, they say people came and a crew came out and switched out the machine. Officials say the pump is there to keep a water main from backing up. But one woman says 5 months of this loud noise has pushed her over the edge.
So you're moving out?
Yeah, today.
Why?
These apartments are absolutely beautiful. They're some of the oldest apartments in Jackson and have been restored wonderfully. They're incredible, but it is really, really loud. And to be a functional human, you need to sleep. And that is something that we have not been able to do.
Other people in the neighborhood have taken a different approach, hanging signs on the fence around the pump. One says, "Make North Street great again," while another reads, "We can't sleep."